Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be doing a quick unboxing and a demonstration of the TEVLAPHEE steering wheel to seatbelt lock. It is a theft deterrent device for your vehicle, and I will be doing this in my 2019 Chevy Silverado. So now on to the unboxing. Instruction manual. And here is the TEVLAPHEE. I chose the one with the red cover. It comes in 4 other colors: yellow, green, black, and orange. The yellow one is probably the most visible, but I chose the red one. This cable is 4/16 of an inch thick. With the PVC sheathing, it is 6/16. Comes with 3 keys, so be sure to put one on your keychain and hide one in the vehicle where no one will find it. Now how this works is you're going to place this loop through one of the holes on the steering wheel. This goes through the loop, and then this attaches to the same place that your seatbelt attaches to. This will only work on the seat belts that have the top red button, not the one on the side. This is a theft deterrent, so some people may say this is a waste of money, that they can cut it. Yes, they can. If they really want your vehicle, they're going to get it, but they'll have to carry a cable cutter in order to do this. And if they decide to cut the steering wheel, they'll have to have a hacksaw to do that. So this is a theft deterrent, and hopefully if they see this attached to your steering wheel and the seat belt, they'll just go on to the next vehicle. It is very simple to hook up. It takes a matter of seconds, and then to unlock it's the same thing, and just throw it on the passenger seat or the floorboard. And I do recommend using this every time you go someplace. So let's go ahead and jump in the vehicle and I'll show you how quickly you can install it. This TEVLAPHEE steering wheel to seatbelt lock is really easy to install. Right now my steering wheel is level. It doesn't matter if it's tilted to the right, tilted to the left, or all the way upside down. Just as long as this is looped through one of the holes that is the furthest away from the seatbelt locking connector. And how you do this is just insert this looped end in through one of the holes on the steering wheel, slip this end through the looped end, and just like when you're locking the seatbelt to the locking mechanism, locks the same exact way. And then to remove it, take that key, insert it into the keyhole, turn the key 1/4 of a turn and push down. There is a pin inside here. When that pin pushes down, it pushes on the red tab. That will release this from the seatbelt lock. Take the key out, and that's it. And undo that, and then you're free to move, drive off in the vehicle. But what I want to show you is this stock OEM locking plate is the same exact as the TEVLAPHEE piece right here. Not too sure how well you can see that. And then inside here is the push down pin. So when you push the key in, it pushes down on this red tab here, and that is what releases this from the seatbelt locking mechanism. Now what I like to do is, when I get in the vehicle, I go ahead and lock it real quick, put that there. I always use my front sun shield. Depending upon where the sun is, if the sun's on this side, I'll leave that one down. If the sun's on that side, I'll leave this one down. And I don't leave anything sitting out. If I do have to lock something up, I'll put it in here. This is my console vault safe that I installed about a month or so ago. So that way if somebody looks inside my vehicle, they won't see anything they're going to want to steal. And if they have one of those devices where they can remotely start my vehicle and drive off with it, which is highly unlikely, even if they do that, they still won't be able to drive off, because this will keep them from being able to turn the steering wheel. So that is why you want this to be in the hole furthest away from the seatbelt locking mechanism. That way it makes it really tight and hard for them to do it. Right now my steering wheel is locked with the steering wheel locking pin itself. So that's about it. So I'll see you on the outside, and I'll do my little closing spiel. As you can see by the video, it's really easy to install and to remove. I purchased this from Amazon for $35. They do have some other variations of it from some other companies. The other ones only come with 2 keys. This one has 3. You cannot have or order any other keys for it, so it's up to you if you want to order the 2-key one or the 3-key one. I would go with the TEVLAPHEE because that comes with 3 keys. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the bell icon, and you get notifications as new videos come out. If you want to make a small donation to my channel, tap the super thanks below this video and you can make a small donation. Anything I get goes back into my channel. Well, that's it. See you in the next video, and there will be some bloopers at the end of this, so stay tuned for those, and I will see you in the next video, and may your vehicle stay safe and secured and no one will steal it. Anyway, have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye. And I will be doing this on my 2019 Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition V8 with a double cab. With a double cab. Yeah, I said that right, but I don't like it. Okay, one more time. And I will be doing this on my 2019 Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition with the double cab, V8, 5.3, no, V8, 2019 Chevy Silverado double cab. Okay. So, with all that said, I think that's it. I fucked it up. Okay, right now my steering wheel is, son of a bitch. I really thought this was going to be a piece of cake. Okay, so, fuck. I don't know. I really don't know. So, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. There's a fucking airplane. Fuckity fuck fuck fuck. And there's a fucking airplane. God damn son of a bitches. Unbelievable. Think it's a pretty good idea to do this nowadays with the high theft. How do you put it? How do I put it? With a high theft vehicle rate. Damn it. Okay, one more time, people. One more time. Almost had that one. As you can see, it's really easy to install and to remove. I did purchase this from Amazon for $35. Fucking bitch. Fucking wind. Well, that's it for the demonstration of the TEVLAPHEE steering wheel to seatbelt lock. I did purchase it from Amazon for $35, and there's a fucking plane going overhead. I think I did 20 takes for the interior, 15 for the first, for the intro, and then I don't know how many for this closing spiel one, but here we go.